उनकी प्रेरणा
Correct.
ऐसा दिया है.
Okay. So, dear friend, today I am here in Pune. This is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Karya Kartitya. What it means is the achievement that he has done. Uh, I think, yeah, Karya Kartitya and Bahus. So,
Savarkar was inspired by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and
okay. Farjay, you tell about this institution. बोलिए.
actually this is the memorial of in the memory of Swatantraveer Savarkar.
Correct.
Very first time in India he burned the clothes of Britishers here.
All right.
So in that memory this smarak, this memorial is constructed.
Correct.
Now here we can see many paintings are there.
Right.
In the memory of Savarkar.
And as you said, Savarkar ji was inspired by Shivaji, right?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, is there anything more you want to say about that? No, like how when they met each other and what?
वो तो पूरा बहुत ही
अच्छा अच्छा, okay, no problems. Yes, so
डिटेल हो जाएगा.
correct. And this is about Bharatiya Swatantra Yuddhachi Sapat. So what it means is in Maharashtra.
Savarkar took oath to
sir.
free India.
Okay, Savarkar took the oath to free India because he was a revolutionary
Yes.
and he was a great patriot
You can
of.
see this painting. He
great-
is taking oath.
Okay, as you can see, he is taking the oath to serve the country and free the India from British rules, right? That we all know. And the sacrifice and the patriotism that he had demonstrated, I think it is one of the unique for a country like India, who is of course not this one. Swatantrata Veer Savarkar, Barristericha
Savarkar
Shiksha.
went to London
Okay.
for study.
Okay.
Then he stayed in India House there. He met many revolutionaries there.
Right.
And from there he used to send revolvers
Oh,
to revolutionaries which were here in India.
acha.
So this is, you can see.
Oh, this were the book and this is the pistol, as you can see here, right? Okay, so Savarkar was kind of a little a revolutionary with different model, right? He believes on violence as well, I believe then.
Yeah, against Britishers.
Against Britishers, yeah.
Not against our people.
Okay, then it's fine, yeah. Yeah. So, but the pity is, Bharatji, that Savarkar's story is been not known by many Indians, right? And especially the youngsters. Especially I never not read Savarkarji.
Nowadays, many authors have written his biography.
Correct.
One of which is Vikram Sampath has written very best biography of Veer Savarkar,
Yeah.
which has become very famous.
Yeah.
In 2 volumes, he has written the biography of Veer Savarkar.
Correct.
So you can read that.
Yeah, definitely. But it is, of course, it is slightly late, but then we should definitely read, yeah. And this is, you can see this Binayak Damodar Savarkar, right? Swatantrata Veer, of course, this name itself explain what it is. But why these two pictures are kept together? What is your view? As you said, they got inspired. Right?
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is icon for whole India, as we know.
Yeah,
Not only Maharashtra.
True.
In Maharashtra, he is the biggest idol.
exactly.
But not only in Maharashtra, but all over India. We can say Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is the Rashtrapita actually
yeah.
of modern India.
True.
That's why. This
Yeah,
is
and
not-
as you know, his tactics of fighting, right? And of course, his courage and bravery, we all know. But at the same time, he was a small unit of Sangathan, organization. But then he was fighting with Aurangzeb with large number of equipment, isn't it?
Yes.
And then he was not defeated, at least in the first phase,
Right.
if I can remember.
Yes. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj should be the role model for every Indian, every Hindu.
Yeah, true. I agree with you. Because the amount of patriotism and sacrifice and hard work, and then the trouble that he has
Especially
faced,
his strategies,
strategies and
his thought process.
true, yeah,
What makes him different other like compared to other kings?
right,
That is important.
yeah. And at the same time, I think he was a very visionary, right?
Right.
He always wanted to make this India, which is Akhanda Bharat. Am I right?
Yeah, we can say that. Even though his area was very limited to Western Maharashtra, but his vision is of whole India, whole Hindustan.
That is what. Unlike other kings.
Right.
Other king was always
They were
confined.
concerned about their own area,
Territory,
little area,
exactly, yeah.
territory.
True.
So, but Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, even though he had successfully established his kingdom in small area in Western Maharashtra, but his vision is to capture whole Hindustan.
Yeah,
to
and
free whole
unite.
Hindustan.
Yeah, unite across all Indians,
Yes.
irrespective of any region specific wise. Yeah, true. And then similarly, the Savarkar, right? I think the many freedom fighters to sacrifice by their lives, but then the way Savarkar has been sacrificed, it is all kind of a inspiration for many of us.
Almost 14 years he was in jail.
Exactly, that is what I heard.
Andaman and Nicobar.
Yeah, and these are their parents or Savarkarji's parents.
Family, his brothers.
So Savarkarji was highly educated person then, right?
Yes, he was barrister.
In London.
Yes.
Okay. And they are all based out of Maharashtra or Pune? What is it? These families? No idea.
No.
Okay. And this Swatantra, this Savarkar, Yana, British, Swatra, Birodhi. Not sure what it means.
Because he was involved in armed struggle against Britishers. On 13th March 1910, he was arrested in Victoria railway station in London. It is written here. On 8th July 1910, he jumped from that ship,
Oh.
Marseilles,
Uh-huh.
on Marseilles in France.
Uh-huh.
He tried to escape from Britishers.
Oh. Yeah. So he was very intelligent, tactful person, right?
Very courageous.
Yeah, courageous.
Revolutionary.
Revolutionary. Courageous. It is a Savarkar's
Actually, yeah.
one of that visionary
Yeah,
image,
he
right?
written one poem.
Which has become very popular. I think I have heard.
ने मातृभूमीला.
Yeah, can you read this poem, please? Yeah, for our audience.
ने मजसी ने मातृभूमीला सागरा प्राण तळमळला. नभी नक्षत्रे बहुत एक परी प्यारा. मज भरत भूमीचा तारा. प्रसाद इथे भव्य परी मज भारी. आईची झोपडी प्यारी.
Oh, you want to summarize? Yeah.
Yeah, actually he is talking with ocean. Like, oh ocean, please take me towards my motherland. Like this.
Great. Yeah. So his every breath is for the motherland. That is what I can smell from this
Yes.
talks and this writings, right?
Yes.
He
He was
li-
freed in 1924.
right. Oh.
He was arrested in 1910 and was freed in 1924. Means
14
almost
years.
14 years.
He was in jail.
Yes.
I think one of the very few freedom fighter was such a
Yeah.
long time, right?
Yes.
Because of his very strong revolutionary actions against British.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then it is an Andaman Ethila Karal. Means he was in that jail, Anandaman. He was there, right?
Yes.
Anyway, Bharatji, it was nice talking with you.
Yeah.
So I think I must thank for your insightful talk about
Thank you,
Savarkarji
thank you.
and look forward to connect with you again with
yeah.
next topic.